All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. So this is the tempered glass that came in this Orzly suite, and I was going to wait to put this on, but I thought, you know what? I might as well give it a shot instead of having the plastic screen protector on here. Because the last time I kept the screen protector, the plastic one on here, and pretty much until it was just scratched to pieces. But this time I'm going to go ahead and rock out right away and put it on. As you see, I'm rocking the Orzly case here, the clear case. So I'm just going to pop this on. I'm going to leave it in the case because this is how you would set it up if you had it with Oneplus. So I'll leave this in the case here, and I'll put it on. So I'm going to peel off the factory screen protector, and then I'm going to immediately put on the Orzly one. So this is something that, you need to make sure if you're doing this. Wow, that kind of cracked. I ain't never seen that before. You just don't have any dust in the area. So this is how I do it. I immediately put it on because, it's coming off brand new. I could use some stickers or something like that, but I don't really see anything. So we're going to put it right on. And I can already tell the difference in quality from this than the Oneplus official screen protector. This one right here feels different. It doesn't feel this doesn't feel as premium. So I'm going to go the old school joint, push in the center, and see how well this one seals up. The Oneplus one didn't seal up that great when I got it, and there was a bunch of dust under it. I couldn't ever get it out. A lot of you guys' OCD kicked in. And it looks like with this one, obviously I'm probably going to have to set up my fingerprint again. But it looks like with this one, it's not sealing too well around the edges. But we shall see how that works out over time. And there might have been a little dust right there. That doesn't really bother me too much. Let's see if the fingerprint reader still works. Oh, the fingerprint reader still works. Get out. Okay. So I don't have to set it up again. That's the difference. And it's so strange because the Oneplus official screen protector, I had to set it up again. Now that is the crazy part. I think I might have put it on a little crooked at the top up there. I think I might have put it a little too close to the top. So I'm just going to lift it. Since it's a 2-pack, I don't care. I'm just going to lift it up and put it back down again. See how this works out. See if it seals up again real time for you. Sealing up doesn't look like it's doing too bad, man. It's sealing right up. Wow, it actually sealed up even better. Around the edges, it's a little bit not sealed, but this is actually doing a little bit better than the official Oneplus glass, because the Oneplus glass, I had to set up my fingerprint again, even though it was an official Oneplus glass, and they recommend that you do. But with this one, go straight in. Don't need to set it up. And I have 2 of these, well, 1 more. So this is official right here. The Orzly glass actually performs, didn't say it's going to function as, I don't know, I have to use it for a little bit. Only problem I had with the Oneplus official glass is that I couldn't get the dust out no matter what I did. And then I lifted it and it didn't lay down. Like I just lifted this real time for you. And it sealed up pretty much the same way it did the first time. Like see the little halo, not halo, but the little areas on the edge that just not sealing very well. I could deal with that, folks. I could deal with that. I could deal with that for sure, because the other Oneplus glass, it has bubbles all in the center when I lifted it one time. But this is official right here, man. So I'm glad I did. Again, the Orzly version seems to work a little bit better than the official Oneplus 6T version. So save yourself some money. This 2-pack is $19 or I think $13, or you can get that bundle that I just reviewed recently. I'll try to remember to link that down below. And it comes in that bundle. You get like 4 cases, 2 tempered glass, a little stylus, a car charger, a USB, a ring thing for your back of your phone. It's the truth for $35. So there you have it, folks. It's the official Orzly glass for the Oneplus 6T. It's your man Jay, and I'm out.